Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed some problems in exercise 3.2 and lot of problems is there in exercise 3.2. In this class, we will continue the some exercise 3.2 problems and example problems also. So first, today class start with exercise 3.2 problem number 4, important for 5 marks question. This is a big question, so 5 mark question asking chance is there. This is based upon addition and subtraction. Multiplication also will be there, that also important for 5 marks question. So just this is a very simple problem. Addition, subtraction, if you know proper, you can do easily this problem. So now you can see this problem, how to solve. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix, B also 3 by 3 matrix, C also 3 by 3 matrix, then compute A plus B and B minus C. We have to find the A plus B value and B minus C value. Also verify that A plus of B minus C plus A plus B minus C both equal or not, we have to verify. So for this purpose, first we have to find the A plus B value, next B minus C value. I'll find the two values first, next I'll verify this one. So solution here, A plus B. First I'll find A plus B. What is the matrix A here? Matrix A is 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. Plus B matrix. B matrix is 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5. Next 2, 0, 3. Last row is 2, 0, 3. So addition exists, 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix is there, addition exists. So what we can write? A plus B is equal to, direct I am writing 1 plus 3. Already we discussed lot of problems, so direct step also you can write. If you are not understanding, you make the 1 plus 3 you write. Otherwise direct mind calculation you do, corresponding elements addition. 4 you will get. Next 2 plus of minus 1, that means 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Next 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Next 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Next one, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So A plus B value also a 3 by 3 matrix. Next, we have to find the B minus C. B minus C. B minus C. So here only direct I am writing 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 subtraction. Minus 1 is minus 2 you will get. If you are not understanding, write one more extra step. Next 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next 4 minus 0. 4. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Next 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Next 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus of minus. Minus of minus. Total will be plus. 0 plus 2 is 2. Subtraction making sign will be changed. 0 minus of minus. Plus it will be. So plus 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is the A plus B value. This is B minus C value. Next, also verify is there. LHS part I will take here. LHS part. LHS is equal to A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. What is A matrix? A matrix is 1, 2, minus 3. 1, 2, minus 3. Second row 5, 0, 2, third row is 1 minus 1 1 plus B minus C. What is the B minus C matrix? Already we did here, that only here substitute. Minus 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 1 and 3. Last row is 1 2 0 1 2 0. So now simplify this one. 1 plus half minus 1. 1 plus half minus 1 is 0. 2 plus half minus 2 is 0. Minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. Next one, 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 plus half minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the left side we got. Similar way, we have to simplify right side also. What is the right side? RHS. RHS side, what is there? A plus B minus C. What is the A plus B? A plus B already we done here. So that only here substitute. 4, 1 minus 1. 9, 2, 7. 3 minus 1, 4. Subtraction C. What is the C matrix? 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2 and 3. So just a simplification you make here. How much you will get? 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 also 0. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Next, 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 1. Minus of minus. Plus. Minus into minus plus you will get. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is also 1. You can observe both are equal getting. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Final question also we have to write. A plus of B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. So this is the verification. Next, problem number 5. If A is a one matrix and B also one matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns is there, 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, then compute 3A minus 5B. 3A minus 5B. Scalar multiplication and subtraction is the very simple problem. So just I'll take 3A minus 5B. That is equal to 3A. What is A? A matrix I'll substitute here. 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3. Next 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Next one is 4 by 3. Next 7 by 3, 2 and 2 by 3. Subtraction 5 into B matrix. What is the B matrix here? 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5. Final is 2 by 5. Final is 2 by 5. So now just multiply inside. What you will get? I'll multiply here. 3 multiple if you are making. Just one step I'll write. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 5 by 3. Why? Because this is a scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication means each and every element in matrix multiply with 3 here. 3. Here multiply with 5. So same similar way. 3 into 1 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 into 4 by 3. Next one. 3 into 7 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. Next 3 into 2 by 3 minus 5 multiply 5 into 2 by 5, 5 into 3 by 5, into 5. 5 on the 5. Next 5 into 1 by 5. 5 into 2 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5. Next one, last row, 5 into 7 by 5. 5 into 6 by 5. My last one, 5 into 2 by 5. So now you can observe here, cancellations, you will get all cancellations. Here also cancellation 5, 1 by 5, total cancel. All cancellation. After that, subtraction we have to make. Here remains what? 2. Minus, here also 2. 0. 3 minus, here also 3. 0. 5 minus 5. 0. 1 minus 1. Total, if you make, answers 0, 0, 0. 0, 0 is nothing but O. 0 matrix. Answer is 0 matrix. 3 by 3, 0 matrix. Order 3, 0 matrix. Next, problem number 6. Simplify cos theta into 1 matrix plus sin theta into 1 matrix. Simplify, just a simplification. Solution. This is not a matrix. If matrix is there, 2 matrices, we will use the row by column method. This is like a scalar. Cos theta is a scalar. Multiply for total. So now how we will do? Every element multiply with cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Next, sin theta into cos theta. Cos theta, sin theta I am writing. Next, here minus sin theta is there. So minus cos theta, sin theta. Just multiplication. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin theta multiply inside. Sin theta multiply inside, what you will get? Sin square theta. Here minus sin theta cos theta. Next, sin theta cos theta. Sin square theta. So this is a result after multiplication. Now addition we have to do. Addition, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Addition means corresponding elements addition. So now cos theta sin theta plus of minus sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Next one, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So now you observe here both cancels. Here both are same. Sin theta cos theta sin theta, both same. Plus minus is the cancellations you will get. Now I am using here trigonometric first identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is I, identity matrix of order 2. Next, example 8. Example 8. If A and B the given, A and B, 2 matrices of same order, 3 by 2 matrices, 3 rows, 2 columns, then find the matrix X. We have to find the matrix X such that by this condition, we have to find the matrix X. So very simple here. All matrices is there here in this equation. So I will make direct simplification. 3x is equal to how much you will get? 5b minus 2a. 5b minus 2a. Just 2a sending that side. Sir, why sending sir that side? I need X matrix. Only left side I will make X. Remaining extra what is there? The total sent to other side. So now X is equal to how much you will get? This 3 if you are multiply is there. If you send right side, 1 by 3 into 5b minus 2a you will get. 1 by 3 into 5b minus 2a. Substitute b value, a value and simplify. So X is equal to 1 by 3 in bracket 5 into b. What is the b matrix? 2 minus 2, 4, 2, minus 5 and 1. minus 2 into A matrix. What is the matrix A? 8, 0, 4, minus 2, 3, 6. So now simplify this one. Total simplification we have to make 1 by 3. 5 2s are 10. Scalar multiplication. Each and every element multiply with 5. So minus 10. Next 20. 5 2s are 10. Minus 25. 5. Subtraction 16. Just 2 multiply I am making. I am not taking minus to multiple. Just 2 multiplication. 16. 0. 8. Minus 8. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So now simplify this one. 1 by 3. One matrix. Single matrix you will get. Subtraction. 10 minus 16. 10 minus 16 is minus 6. Minus 10 minus 0. Minus 10. 20 minus 8. 12. 10 minus of minus. Minus of minus plus you will get. Total is 18. Next. Total is, sorry, here 2 2s are 4 you will get. 2 2s are 4 you will get. Minus into minus plus 14 you will get. 14. Next one, minus 25 minus 6 minus 31. Next 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12 is minus 7. So now make the simplification for this one. Minus 6 by 3. X is equal to minus 6 by 3. Minus 10 by 3. Next 12 by 3. 14 by 3. Next minus 31 by 3. Last one minus 7 by 3. Any cancellations is there? Here we have to make the cancellation. 3 1s are 3 2s are here. 3 4s are. More any cancellations? There is no cancellation. So final answer is minus 2 minus 10 by 3. Next 4. 14 by 3. Minus 31 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. So this is the matrix X. So this is the way of finding the matrix. When two matrix, if you know, one more matrix we have to find by the equation method. This is. Next one, similar problem in exercise 3.2, problem number 8. Find the X value. Find the X matrix here. Find the X matrix if Y given and condition they given. So just normal simplification I will show. You take this problem as a homework. Try yourself. Answer in description box, notes is there. Answer, just answer I given, solution you have to make. Just normally I am explaining here. 2x is equal to, I need x value, remaining all send one side. Minus 3 2 minus y. X is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 0 minus 3 2 and minus y. Here y value substitute and subtraction make, divided by 2 you make. So answer you will get this one. Try yourself. Next problem number 7 in exercise. Find x and y. X and y. Capital letters is there. That means matrices we have to find. Very important. Capital letters only will denoted for the matrices. So number 1 and 2. Two problems is there. I'll explain second problem, one different problem, this one, and I'll briefly explain for the first one. You can take that as a homework. Now I'll explain the second problem here. Solution for this one. So first of all we have to write the given two equations. Equations is there. You observe both are equations. Equation simplification. Normally how we'll do the simplification? Two equations is there, two variable finding purpose. Different methods is there. Any method you can follow for this one. I'll use normal method, that is equation 1. I am taking this as a equation 2. You observe here 2 is there, 3 is there. We can't make the cancellation directly. So that's why I'll make here multiply 3. 3 2s are 6 you will get. Here multiply 2 I'll make. 2 3s are 6 you will get. Then we can make the cancellation, we can find the y value. So equation 1 into 3, equation 1 into 3 minus equation 2 into 2. Then we will get the y value. So left side simplification I'll make. 1 into 3, equation 1 into 3. How to do 1 into 3? This total multiply with 3. 3 2 ja 6x plus 3 3 ja 9y minus second equation multiply with 2. Second equation multiply with 2. 2 3 ja 6x plus 2 2 ja 4y. This is only left side simplification. Left side did. Similar way, right side also we have to make. Right side what we have to make? Multiply 3. Equation 1 multiply with 3. Subtraction. Equation 2 multiply with 2. So that is a right side simplification. Now 6x plus 9y minus 6x minus multiply inside here minus 4y is equal to, here simplification, 3 2s are 6. Scalar multiplication. Multiply each and every element of the matrix by the 3. 6, 9, 12, 0 minus multiply with 2. Each and every element multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4. Here minus 4, minus 2 and 10. So now minus 6x plus 6x cancel. 9x minus 4y, that is 9y minus 4y. 9y minus 4y is 5y, that is equal to, here 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, first element subtraction, 6 minus 4 is 2. Next 9 minus of minus plus 9 plus 4 is 13. 12 minus of minus plus, here plus you will get, minus of minus plus, 12 plus 2 is 14. Next 0 minus 10 minus 10. Y is equal to 1 by 5 you will get. If you send right side, it will become 1 by 5. 2, 13, 14 minus 10. Multiply inside. If you multiply inside, what you will get? 2 by 5, 13 by 5, next 14 by 5 minus 10 by 5. Only one cancellation, this one. Therefore, Y matrix is what? 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2 is the Y matrix. So this Y matrix we can substitute any one equation, we will get the X matrix. Otherwise, same simplification will make, same simplification also we can make. Again here substitution no need to do. Same simplification. Y cancellation we have to make. Here 3 is there, multiply with 2. Here 2 is there, multiply with 3. Reverse multiplication we have to make now. 1 into 2. Equation 1 into 2 minus equation 2 into 3. Then we can make the cancellation of Y. So now make the left side simplification. Equation 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4x. 4x plus 6y minus of left side of second equation. 3 3s are 9x plus 3 2s are 6y. 3 2s are 6y is equal to 2 into equation 1 right side 2340 minus 3 into equation 2. 3 into equation 2 right side 2 minus 2 minus 1 5. Nothing we are doing, same simplification but multiplication is different. Just this is a basic, up to 10th class also you learn equation solving. Here equations involving with matrices, that is the different. Their numbers will be there, here matrices will be there. So now simplify. 4x plus 6y minus 9x minus 6y is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 0. Minus, multiply inside. 6 minus 6 minus 3, 15. So now here, 6y cancel, minus 5x minus 5x is equal to 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Next, 6 minus half minus plus will become 12. Next, 8 minus half minus plus 3. 8 plus 3 is how much you'll get? 11. 0 minus 15 minus 15. So x is equal to 1 by minus 5. 1 by minus 5. Same matrix. 12, 11 minus 15. So x is equal to, just multiply inside, minus 2 by minus 5, 12 by minus 5, 11 by minus 5, minus 15 by minus 5. Here cancellation you will get, here minus minus cancel, x is equal to 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 12 by minus 5, 11 by minus 5 and 3. So this is the x matrix, this is the y matrix. We have to find the x and y matrices. And similar way, question number 1 you can observe. This one take as a equation 1, this one take as a equation 2. Add 1 plus 2 if you are making, y cancel you will get, x matrix you will get. X matrix here substitute and simplify. Direct method also you can use, or same. 1 plus 2 one time you make, 1 minus 2 one time you make. Very simple problem. This one take as a homework. Answer in description box. Notes is there, in that answer is there. Solution you have to do. One more example 9 is there. That also similar problem. Find x and y like 7th problem, first one. Same to same. Two equations is there. Equation 1, 2 take. 1 plus 2 make once. 1 minus 2 once you make. You will get the x and y matrices. So this also try yourself. Answer purpose in description box. Notes is there. The answer I wrote. Solution you find. Next, example 12. Example 12. Find AB. Multiplication of two matrices. Already we discussed some problems in previous classes also. Find AB. Matrix A you observe 2 by 2 matrix. Matrix B is 2 by 3 matrix. 2 rows, 3 columns. So number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. So we can make the multiplication. Row by column method. Row by column method you have to solve. Answer you can see in notes. Next, example 15. Find AB. Find AB. Similar way, AB we have to find. 2 by 2 matrix is there. 2 by 2 matrix is there. 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. So result also 2 by 2 matrix you will get. Here result what you will get? 2 rows, 3 columns you will get. So these two problems also try yourself. By this one, today class completed. In next class we will continue the remaining problems. Thank you.